Good morning. I'm Gary Frankenberry, and this is the Go language computer programming tutorial series for Linux. This lesson, titled Lesson 1, Why Learn Golang, is the first video of that series. So here are some advantages of learning the Go programming language. The Go programming language, commonly called Google Go, or more often referred to as Golang, was built by Google, so both Google, combined with a strong open source community, contributes toward its ongoing development as a fine programming language. Golang is a compiled programming language. That is, your source code is compiled, translated from the Golang's high-level code to the zeros and ones of the binary language of your computer's central processing unit. The Golang's compiler is very fast. This contributes toward speedy development and a very fast execution speed. The next advantage of Golang is that it was built by Google from the ground up to easily support multiple core and multi-threaded program execution. Since we now commonly have available computer processors utilizing multiple cores, this concurrency contributed by Golang contributes to both speed of execution and migration to very large-scale projects. The only significant disadvantage is that Golang does not have comprehensive graphical user interface, commonly called GUI, support, so that you're largely restricted to writing command line interface programs. But some progress in GUI development with Golang is ongoing. There are Golang graphical user interface bindings to existing GUI libraries written in other programming languages. For example, there are Golang GUI bindings for using the GTK C language libraries, and Golang bindings using the Qt C++-based GUI libraries. And there is the Walk, W-A-L-K GUI binding for Microsoft Windows only. Next, there are several Go coding libraries supporting web-based GUI programming environments. And finally, there are some GUI development projects which are native Golang written and compiled. Most prominent here is the Fine.io library located at https://fyne.io, and this library has made a great deal of progress over the last couple of years. This video lesson only summarizes some of the advantages of using Golang. Feel free to do more research before jumping in. In any case, we would like to see you watch the next tutorial titled Lesson 2, Installing Golang on Linux. So thanks so much for listening, and goodbye for now.